acting really happened to me in real sense that it happened to me, you know. मेरी मॉम ने मुझसे कहा था कि मुझे तुम्हें होर्डिंग पे देखना, मतलब आई वाज लाइक ठीक है, शी इज सेइंग दैट, बट द ट्विस्ट वाज दैट शी सडनली गॉट फीवर एंड शी पास्ड अवे विदाउट एनीबडीज अंडरस्टैंडिंग. ये हुआ क्या, आप अस्पताल जाते हो बुखार के लिए और आप कभी बाहर ही नहीं आते हो, वैसा कुछ. और मैंने लास्ट जो सुना था उनसे वो था कि आई वॉन्ट टू सी ऑन अ होर्डिंग. So what she meant was that she wanted to see me on a hoarding which is on a bus which says merit ranker, so and so percentile, 99.9 percentile, you know, that kind of a hoarding. और मैंने समझा hoarding क्योंकि मैं एक्टिंग वाला, और कौन सा होर्डिंग होता है मेरे लिए, तो और कोई होर्डिंग था ही नहीं. और मेरे अंदर वो बच्चों में वो जुनून होता है ना माँ बाप के लिए कुछ करने का, तो उसके चलते मैं पृथ्वी थिएटर आ गई. There was a background of people who I knew were musicians, my sister's friends and all, and they said that, look, if you want to, you should start modeling. I'll come on a hoarding if I model. They said, yeah. But somewhere my sister was like, no, you will not model. You will go to theatre. I said, what is theatre? I have no idea. That's when I went to Prithvi Theatre and I saw Max sir and I saw Nasir Saab. And I went and met him. Then I spoke to him and I told him that I'm Aditi Pohankar. So he said, are you related to Pandit Ajay Pohankar? I said, yeah, could be. Because we were not really in touch with Kaka at that time. Families mein, you know, that takes time. Like, they are busy, my father is busy. I went to Just Dial. And I picked Ajay Pohankar. This is what I did. The moment I called Kaka, he said, "Arey beti Koyal ya," because I do this Koyal ka mimicry. So he knew that. He remembered that as a child. And I was like, करेक्ट लगा है नंबर. यही है, क्योंकि इफ ही सिंग कोयल मतलब वो मैं ही हूँ, मुझे पता है. एंड देन आई वेंट एंड मेट हिम. आई मेट अभिजीत, माय ब्रदर, अभिजीत पोहनकर. देन आई वेंट एंड टोल्ड Makaran sir. I said, yeah, Ajay Pohankar is my uncle. I called him yesterday and he said, oh, okay. Then he was like, okay, bet. How do I say, acting really happened to me in real sense that it happened to me, you know. From there I got picked as a child only. I was that time very young. When I was doing a children's play, I got picked for Lay Bhari. और फिर जब मुझे वो मिला, I got that film. That time I still remember I had given an entire long monologue in Marathi. So my Marathi that time was not that great, you know, because you're not like a reader or something, you know. Okay, this is the route that I'm taking, you know. And Lay Bhari happened, and then it became a huge hit. And then again after that I got She, then I got Ashram, of course, lately. So I'm not like been around for too long yet. I have been around for a long time. It's like that.